Shopping the Toyota RAV4? Before you look any further, check out the completely redesigned 2020 Ford Escape. For starters, Ford SUVs have the highest brand loyalty in the industry. With an all-new sliding feature, Escape has more second-row legroom than RAV4, or any other compact SUV. Escape has more horsepower than RAV4, and the Escape can out-tow the RAV4. Escape can help parallel park with the touch of a button. In the RAV4, you're on your own.
I like this.
Escape has a foot-activated liftgate that makes loading and unloading much easier. And if all that isn't enough, Escape has intelligent all-wheel drive with 5 modes optimized for a variety of conditions. Plus, it's an IIHS top safety pick.
And we can see 4 miles.
The 2020 Ford Escape.